If you're planning to start a business in Kansas, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in Kansas even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether to file it yourself or use a formation service like Northwest to make the entire process hassle-free. We will cover this in more detail later in the video. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or limited liability company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. The question is, why form an LLC in Kansas? Well, for one, you have asset protection. That means your personal assets like your home, car, and savings are protected from business debts and legal liabilities. And of course, you have transparency and trust. Now, this helps build credibility and trust with customers, lenders, and potential business partners and investors. And you have a state compliance. Now, with this, it helps you to operate legally and in full compliance with Kansas state laws and regulations, helping you avoid fines and legal issues down the road. And finally, of course, you have name security. Once approved, no other business in this state can legally operate under the same name. The first step is picking a name for your LLC. Now, make sure your LLC name is unique, not already used by another business in Kansas. It should include limited liability company or abbreviations like LLC, L. C. And of course, you want to make sure that you avoid restricted words like bureau, government, agency. And if you wanted to check the name availability, all I have to do is very simple. Go to the Kansas Secretary of State business entity. If there is no matching results, that means the name is available and ready to go. Now, if you wanted to consider reserving your name prior to filing information documents to hold it, you can do so. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Next, you'll need a registered agent. Now, this is a person or company who will receive the official legal documents for your LLC. Your agent can be yourself, provided that you meet all the state legal requirements, a trusted friend or individual, a family member, but we suggest you hire a professional registered agent service like Northwest Registered Agent for privacy and convenience because they will handle all of the paperwork for you. To officially form your LLC, you need to file the Articles of Organization. Now, you can do this via mail, which is a little bit longer, or you can do this online by going to the Kansas Secretary of State website. All I have to do is provide some information like LLC name, registered agent info, principal, business address, names of LLC members or managers, and the filing fee is currently $165 online, and the processing usually takes around 5 to 10 business days. While not required in Kansas, it's highly recommended to create an operating agreement. The operating agreement outlines the ownership percentage, management structure, roles and responsibilities, profit distribution. It's an internal document but important for avoiding disputes later. Next is we need to get an EIN or Employer Identification Number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. Once your LLC is approved, the next step is to register for Kansas state taxes. Now, I want you to head over to the Kansas Department of Revenue, or KDOR, and file the Kansas Business Tax Application, also known as the Form CR-16. This officially registers your business with the state. Now, the taxes you need to depend on how your LLC operates. If you sell physical products or taxable services, you'll need to register for sales tax. If you plan to hire employees, you must sign up for withholding tax to handle payroll taxes. And if your business meets Kansas requirements for employee wages and work duration, you'll also need unemployment insurance. Once these are set up, your LLC will be fully compliant with Kansas tax requirements and ready to operate legally. That's why traditional filing, while it's cost-effective, it really is time-consuming, full of paperwork, and hiring a registered agent, while it is also a good option, it can be very expensive. But what if I told you there is a better solution, like using a formation service called Northwest? Northwest Registered Agent is a company that provides business formation services in the US without hiring an attorney or a registered agent, because they guide you through all these steps to create corporations, nonprofits, especially LLC, and any other business entity in any state in the US, including Kansas. Now, the good news is, if you haven't signed up with Northwest yet, you can use our affiliate link in the video description to get started. As you can see, there are just a few simple steps we need to complete to form an LLC right away. Don't worry, this process is super simple, and let's begin with the Order tab. Now, this is the service you selected. For example, it's LLC formation, and the state where you are planning to form your LLC, plus the cost before total payment. Now, think of it as the checkout overview. The company section collects the basic details of your business, like the LLC name, and if you want to send a copy of lawsuits and legal notices to your attorney, and the business address, plus if you want to provide the physical address as well. This information is used to officially create your LLC with the state. Now, the management section is how you define your LLC. You can choose from a member manage, which means you and the owners runs the business, or a manager manage, which means you hire a manager to run the business for you. If you're not sure what type to choose, just click the question mark icon, because this helps to determine who has the authority to make decisions for your LLC. Now, you can also add your member name or managers. Don't worry, because Northwest keeps this information private. Now, in the contact section is your personal information. Your name, phone number, of course, your address, because Northwest uses this to send filing updates, notify you of any legal documents, and gives you account access. Again, don't worry, this information is not made public. In terms of the account, this is where you create your Northwest online dashboard. Provide your email address, set a password, confirm login details, because once you've done that, your account lets you access state documents, receive compliance, and view scanned mail and legal notices. Now, there is an added service called Business Identity to help you establish your LLC's official identity. Thing is, it's free for 90 days. And if you wanted to have more added service, as you can see, you can have all these. If you don't want all of these, you can safely skip all that if you prefer to handle them yourself. And last but not the least, the final step is where you complete your order. It includes your credit or debit details, of course, the price or the total cost, and confirmation before submission. Because once paid, congratulations, Northwest files your LLC with the state. And basically, that's it on how to register an LLC in Kansas, which makes the formation process straightforward and affordable. Taking the time to set things up correctly from the start helps protect your personal assets and sets a solid foundation for long-term success, which is a smart move for entrepreneurs looking for simplicity, flexibility, and strong liability protection. While you can handle the process on your own, of course, Kansas is an excellent state to start and grow a business. Either way, once your LLC is registered, you'll be ready to operate confidently and focus on your growing business, especially if everything is filed accurately and on time. But if you want a hassle-free process with reliable support, Northwest makes it super simple. They handle the paperwork, act as your registered agent, and keep your personal information private. While you can file your LLC yourself through the Alabama Secretary of State, using a service like Northwest saves you time, avoids mistakes, and gives you peace of mind, especially if this is your first LLC. Now, if you are ready to start, check the link in the description to get your Alabama LLC registered with Northwest today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.